Meet the macaw parrot. A stunning bird is known for its brilliant plumage and intelligent personality, and are highly social animals. These birds are also incredibly intelligent, and have been observed using tools, and even exhibiting empathy towards their fellow flock members. Macaws are also popular as pets due to their friendly and affectionate nature, but they require a lot of care and attention to thrive in captivity. If you're considering a macaw as a pet, make sure you provide them with a spacious cage, plenty of toys and mental stimulation, and a healthy diet.